Come on, Christian. Bump it, man.
Okay, right there. Once you hit, then you pick it up and then take your time. You're not in a hurry.
Reel on your way down.
Fishing on the Gibson. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, by the way.
Come on, Christian. Bump it.
We're celebrating his all A's at the Perdido rig.
Bump it.
There you go. There you go. Reel slowly. Reel. Just come down slowly, son. Yep. Okay, there. Now grab the handle. Grab the handle.
Okay, yeah.
This one. Now come down. Yeah. Okay. Stop. Real slow. Let's take your time. Take your time.
Start reeling before you come down with it, okay? Like, start reeling out. Keep the rod up, you know? Start reeling.
You reel on the way down, slowly, slowly. Go down slowly. That fast.
Yeah, you're going down too fast.
You're going down, you go down slow and real fast. So you let the rod do a lot of the work.
Let the rod go slow.
Slow, 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 slow.
There you go. That's better.
I got it on low gear, dude, so it's not gonna be that hard.
You might want to straighten it out now, Bub, because he's way out in front of the
What?
boat. He's way out in front of the boat.
You wanna kick the
kick the port engine that way in reverse. Starboard engine that way. Here, let me do it. Here.
Well, just pause it right now. We'll continue. He's not bringing it in right now. It's going to be a while. Let's get the boat in position.
There you go. Turn the wheel that way a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
There you go. Reel. Come down slow. Yeah, come down slow and real fast. There you go.
You might be able to hold it up and reel because it's in low gear. Hold your rod up and just.
There you go. It's getting tired too, Christian.
Trust me, by the time you get them up, you'll be tired. Three minutes, 28 seconds into this here battle. Second half of this battle. Doing quite well. Christian, Melina.
Just be careful.
A little help from Dad every now and then, a little coaching.
Take a break, take a break.
No breaks. No rest for the weary.
Come up slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly, and then you go down slow and reel. Real fast and come down slow. So you let the rod do a lot of the work. No slack. You need to take a break, take a break. Yeah.
Now you need to.
No, you need to get your ass up.
Right here.
It's gonna be too long on video. Wait till he gets closer. We're gonna pause this.
Shut it off.